Question number 5 asks us to write an explicit function to represent the information from our table in question number 1 and our graph in question number 2. So here we're going to write an explicit function. And we're going to do this very similarly to what we were doing with our arithmetic functions. And we're going to look and see, we said that each time we move from one to the next, we're multiplying by 10. So let's show that multiplication by 10 and compare. So in our very first one, we had 8. And then in our second term, we had 8, and we multiplied that by 10. And then we had our 8 again, and we multiplied by 10. And then we multiplied by 10 again. And in our fourth day, we had 8. We multiplied by 10. We multiplied by 10 again, and then we multiplied by 10 one more time. And then what I want to show you again is let's compare the number of times we're multiplying by 10 to the actual number of days. So let's look at the number of tens that we have going on. So in our first day, we have 0 tens. Our second day, we have 1 10. Our third day, we have 2 tens. And our our fourth day, we have 3 tens. And so we're going to compare that with the number of days. So if we look at in day 1, we have 0 tens. In day 2, we have 1 10. In day 3, we have 2 tens. So if you look, we always have 1 less 10 than the number of days. So if we write that explicit formula, we have our P of D, oops, not 2, but D, equal to, we started with 8, we're multiplying by 10, and that 10 that we're multiplying by is 1 less than the number of days. So our exponent is D minus 1.